difficult to tell, but this right here is a swallowtail butterfly chrysalis, and it's hiding in and among the dill. It's literally attached itself to this dill plant. I can't believe I actually spotted it, because sometimes they're hard to see, but they always kind of like try and match themselves to whatever they're on, which is super interesting to me. And I happen to notice this one up here is gonna go into chrysalis soon, and it's been up here for a couple days. I kind of hoped it would move itself to a better spot that wouldn't be so highly visible, but it hasn't done that, and it's still sitting here trying to get into chrysalis. It has definitely assumed the position, right? We'll have to check on it later. This morning I came out here and I showed you that swallowtail caterpillar that was trying to go into chrysalis. Well, it did, and look, they camouflage themselves depending upon what they're on. So he decided that he was going to go ahead and be this dark color to blend in with the metal here. Like, come on, this is so cool. Okay, so here it is on the side profile, and you can see it's just like that one tiny little piece of like string there, that silk that's holding the whole chrysalis up here. And I bet if I look at this tomorrow, it'll be even darker. And what's so cool about it is that the green one is right under here, and you can barely see it, but hold on. There it is, right here, straight there. So one there and one there, same exact type of butterfly, completely different chrysalis color because of where they decided to make their chrysalis. Oh, crazy. Nature is just so neat. Like, look, it's even got a little yellow on the underside, so it blends in with these like yellow flowers. Like, give me a break. That's so cool. Oh, it just moved a little bit. I think it got scared because of the wind. Oh, did you see it? Oh my gosh, that's so crazy. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.